World, this is behind the scenes of me preparing for my exhibit. Actually, I'm outside. It's like 11 o'clock at night, and I have to use this matte spray outside because of the fumes or whatever. It's not supposed to be used outside in a well ventilated area, and outside is the best place, but I have to do it at night because it's so hot. But as you can see, I'm actually using this, but it's dark, so I just wanted to say thanks for y'all support, the love and the respect, and appreciating the art that I do. Peace. With me behind the scenes in the making of the HeARTS gallery. But as you can see, I'm currently cutting and gluing the labels on back of the actual things, as you can see. And as you can see, I have a whole lot more. I'm just cutting them out and pasting them, as you may know, just behind the scenes. Hello world. Today is the day that I decided I wanted to set up, which is the day before, and I have stuff everywhere. I'll record this side, okay? And we're here at 3720 Canton.
Oh my man, killing me today.
Oh wow, it's gonna be awesome. Ha I love it.
So we here setting up.
Let's see, so we're gonna have a red rug.
You want your natural hair there?
Ooh.
So if he trying, you know.
But it don't go with the rest of the two on the side of it.
We're gonna see.
You might be right. Let's see. You might be right. As much as he's scared.
Making all they know.
Can y'all look and tell us if this is straight? It looks like a dog. How you want it?
To the right from my, to the right from my.
Should have been to go here too.
Yeah, I know. Of course.
Hello world, this is me Steven, and as you can see I'm standing in the middle, against the wall in my exhibit. Oh my god. And as you can see, in here we have, what, 17, no, I don't know how many pictures it is. And today is actually August 17th, the day before. Setup day, as I call it. And I just want to say thanks everybody who supported me.
Oh, but she said she keeping that for wool. What's these shoes? They get some blacks and new.
So as you can see, this is a lot of stuff, even up there. So we're getting ready to take it to Vogel Alcove. Got milk. Stuff galore. So we arrived at Vogel Alcove downtown, and we're about to unload. You got a lot of stuff? A lot. But you said.
I bet they appreciate it.
So we're waiting to drop off the donations. Apparently everybody went to lunch at the same time.
And they don't come back to 2.
But the security guard for to make away. She the security guard, so she got a little more high power. But it's gonna happen somewhere, one way or the other.
Okay, now it's ready.
Donations. drop off is complete, and I'm headed back to my side of the town.
Go to 30 East, right?
That's right, yeah. And you shall see what